Why Alleppey is famous and what is important places in Alleppey?
Alleppey में very famous हो Blackwater में वो boat race.
हाँ.
First view में हो केरला में very famous boat race वो Nehru Boat Race. This year August 22 so match. So 16 village participated. How many 16 village? India में Guinness record. One boat में पूरा में 100 people participated. So different category boat. Very famous so snake boat. Morning 11 o'clock that evening 6 o'clock grand finale. Famous of Indian Navy 25. This year first prize 25 lakh. Minimum costly 2 crore minimum boat price का famous. पूरा में one boat का 100 people participated.
So Alleppey is famous for boat race.
Boat race.
India's longest and biggest boat race.
Boat race. India में Guinness record one boat participation only one game 100 people participated.
So Alleppey has Guinness record.
Guinness record game. No, game में no 100 people participated. Only boat race था only 100 people. Plus 16 villages.
So many people go to Kerala. They come to Alleppey for backwater rides, Shikara ride, houseboat. Something say about Shikara rides and houseboat ride.
Houseboat में जास्ती चाहते हैं. Shikara में वो city canal, anything area cover. Houseboat में only little area में no cover. Budget only Shikara ride. Very famous for India में biggest lake. 96 kilometer length. Vempanar Lake. How many lake to Papa, Achangovil, Manimalaya, anything lake connecting to Vempanar Lake. 96 kilometer length. Vempanar Lake.
India's longest and biggest lake.
Biggest lake. Only lake.
Yeah.
Sea connecting. Blackwater connecting sea.
Yes.
Festival different culture. Villages are different. Another India my lowest area. Places नीचे water very important.
Water vapor. Our both people use करते boat for their daily use.
Daily use. Study anything medical. Anything boat.
We use boat for medical study or ration items.
Anything.
Anything.
Oh, good. This one of village people. That's one of the people traveling. Very good house.
Architecture.
Only traveling. Village ka full traveling, walking. No cycle, no car, anything.
Very peaceful.
Peaceful, very silent area. Houses no circle. Every house is open.
Okay, yeah. So आपके बोट के बारे में बताओ कि आपका बोट कैसे बुक करना है और कितना प्राइस रहता है शिकारा बोट का?
Where am I? My boat. वो direct boat type और season type ज़्यादा प्राइस. और people का minimum वो 600 people का 1000 में. Normal type है little down और boat type वो का friends का discount.
फ्रेंड्स रिफर में आएगा तो
डिस्काउंट में वो वीडियोस मैचिंग और माय नंबर का कोड.
तो मेरे साइड से कोई भी अगर आएगा तो भैया आपको डिस्काउंट देंगे.
डिस्काउंट है वो फ्रेंड्स का वो सब्सक्राइबर का डिस्काउंट Alleppey Blackwater का बोट.
हाउस बोट आल्सो डिस्काउंट.
एनीथिंग Alleppey का काम I will
okay. Anything you need in Alleppey, if you come through my video or through brothers talking, you'll have discount here. Right? Very nice. Ikaw ano takana pura.
पूरा 50 का ट्रैवलिंग.
Thanks for your time.